Hello, sports fans, and welcome to a very special edition of Scott Sports 101 ALDS. Normally it'd be a pregame show. We'll call it just a game that's fully underway show, and we'll talk about the game in just a sec. But here is today's Scott Sports 101 Indians trivia question. Well, ALDS trivia question. What was the original name of the Cleveland Indians? I'll have the answer later on the broadcast. Well, Game 1 of the ALDS is fully underway at Minute Maid Park in Houston between the Tribe and the Astros. Corey Kluber was the starting pitcher on the mound for the Tribe with a record of 20-7. 20-game winner this season. As you may recall, Cliff Lee won 20 games when he was with the Indians, and Justin Verlander is on the mound for the Stros with a record of 16-9. Kluber went 4 and 2 third innings, and right now the Stros are batting in the top of the sixth, but in the bottom of the sixth, the Astros are batting right now. The Indians are batting right now in the top of the sixth, but in the bottom of the sixth, Adam Cimber will be coming out for the Tribe in relief, I believe, in the bottom of the sixth. Right now, it's 4-0 Astros in the top of the sixth. Now, this series is not going to be a walk in the park for the Tribe or the Astros by any means. And I feel the team that wins this series is going to win it all. That's why I say the Tribe is going to win this series, I feel, 3-1. Now, Game 1 is today, and it started at 2:05. That's first pitch. Game 2 is tomorrow, and Game 3 is on October 8th, is Monday. I think Game 4 is Tuesday if it's needed. Now, if the Tribe loses this game today, they're going to have to they're going to want to win Game 2 tomorrow if they should lose this game. So, we'll see. But Tribe, you're going to want to rally because you're down 4-0. And Jose Ramirez has the Tribe's only hit right now in the game. There has been no runs scored by the Tribe. And right now, they have got the Tribe's, he has the Tribe's only hit right now, and that came, I think, in the second inning. So, let's hope the Tribe can get it together and really come from behind and win this game. Now, I do want to, in today's, I have the Indians preview page, and they say, and it says Kluber and Verlander are evenly a classic matchup, and they are, I have to tell you. And this is really going to be a great game, a great series, I think. And tomorrow's first pitch will be at 4:37 p.m. Game 3 is Monday at 1:30 p.m., and that's when that'll be the first pitch. Game 4 is on Tuesday at that's a TB determined that time. If it's needed, Game 5 would be Thursday if it's needed. That is also a TB to be determined. Now, I feel that the series is going to go either way because it's going to be a great series because I really feel that the Tribe is really going to take this series. But, and the Yankees and the Red Sox, and they have, and the Yankees won the wild card game between the Athletics and the Yankees. They won that one, and their ALDS series begins tonight in Boston, and so they have some good matchups in that one. So we will see what happens. So I really feel that the Indians are going to take this series, though, because this is really going to be a good series between the Tribe and the Astros. And I got to tell you, and the Tribe is going to really have to rally from behind to try to come back and win this game today, to win Game 1 today. If not, they're going to want to win Game 2 tomorrow and tie up the series. But let's hope the Tribe can rally and come from behind and win this game. So we shall see what happens in this game, and I will have a post-game show when this game is concluded, when the Tribe and Astros have concluded. And right now they are in the bottom of the sixth inning. And the Colorado Rockies beat the Chicago Cubs, and they will in the NL wild card, and they will be taking on the Brewers in the other NLDS series, and the Dodgers. I think I can't remember who they're taking. I know it's a team. I can't remember who it is though. I have to think of who it is. I can't remember. I'll let you know. So I gotta. These are going to be some great playoff series because the MLB postseason is now underway. It is underway. So we're going to have some great postseason baseball here. I really think we are because hopefully, I think the Tribe is going to take this series 2-1. I just really think that they are. And I've said that before, I know, but I'm going to say it again. So I really think that they are. So we shall see. Excuse me. What happens in this series tonight, right now, that is going on right now, which the Astros are up 4-0 in the top of this sixth. Well, we'll talk about this more in just a sec, but right now, here is the answer to today's Scott Sports 101 ALDS trivia question. Well, Indians ALDS trivia question. What was the original name of the Cleveland Indians? If you said the Grand Rapids Rustlers, you are correct. The Cleveland Indians originated in Michigan in 1894 as the Grand Rapids Rustlers, a minor league team in the Western League. The team moved to Cleveland in 1900 and has been known as the Cleveland Indians ever since. And the Indians have won 2 World Series in their illustrious career as a major league team in 1920 and, of course, in 1948. And they've won several American League pennants from, as you know, in 1920, 1948, 1954, and I think in the 60s, and it didn't happen again until 95, 96. They didn't win it then, but 97, and then 2016, 2017, and now 2013, 2014, and now we're now into this season. So they've won several American League pennants as well, and a lot of Central Division championships as well. And the Indians are really, and the reason why I feel for that, because we had to wait till at least 1995 for things to get better. And before then, you had to watch the movie Major League, and look what that movie did for us. It brought us a lot of luck, and also Major League 2 as well. And so that's why I think until 1995, that's when things got better. So the Tribe has really come a long way since then, and Tribe skipper Terry Francona really knows what the Tribe is needing to do, and I think he wants to win this series. And I got to tell you, I really think the Tribe is going to take this series, even though it's not going to be easy. I really think they're going to take it because they want to take this series and they want to move on to the ALCS. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens in this series. Now we have a quartet of starting pitchers, and Carrasco will be pitching tomorrow's game. I think Bauer will be pitching Game 3, which is the guaranteed game in Cleveland, and Game 4, if needed, would be Mike Clevenger, and Game 5, that'll be determined to be announced. So we shall see. So we're going to have to wait and see how this series unfolds and what happens with this series. So we shall see. My final thoughts, I really think the Tribe really their offense needs to really step it up. And they got to really put the pressure on Houston to really try to win this game. And I really feel if they don't win today, they will tie up the game tomorrow, what they will do. And they will tie it because they're going to want to tie it up if they don't win today. So I'm hoping they can win today. If not, they hopefully will win and tie up the series tomorrow. And so that's my final thoughts. And I think even though Glooper got a little shake, he had a long inning in the fifth, and I think that's why he got taken. I think Simber came out on the bottom of the fifth, and he'll be pitching in the bottom of the sixth. Check me if I'm wrong on that. Well, that's going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 ALDS special edition pregame show episode of Scott Sports 101. I'll be back with a ALDS postgame show once the Tribe and Astros have concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. Enjoy the game, everyone. Go Tribes. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.